Find the roots of equation of x square minus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. If we compare the given quadratic equation to the standard form, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 120. So if we take the product AC, we have minus 120. Now we have to factorize minus 120 in such a way that the addition of factors comes out to be minus 2. We can get the addition of factors as minus 2 if we take minus 12 multiplied by 10. So therefore, let's split the middle term in this way. So therefore, it becomes x square minus 12x plus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. So taking x common from the first two terms, so x into x minus 12 plus 10 common, we have x minus 12 again is equal to 0. So therefore, x plus 10 multiplied by x minus 12 is equal to 0. So therefore, we can say the roots are x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 12.